Hey guys, welcome to today's video where I'm going to teach you on how to change your local user account name on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So it's a very simple process and let's get straight into it. So what you want to do is you're going to click on your start button and you're going to search control panel. And then you're going to left click on this. And once the control panel pops out, you want to make sure this view by is set to large icons. And then here you can see at the bottom here it says user accounts. You're going to left click on that. And here you can change your account name. So you can click on that. You can change it to Samuel, change name. And you can see the account name has changed. You can also change your account type here to be administrator or standard. So that's all from me guys, and that's all for this tutorial. It's a very straightforward tutorial, and if you want more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching folks.